So if you want to slow down a shot, but not only, you can press Command R and you can bring that guy and accelerate it or slowing down the shot like this. So it can play slower, but that's not what we want to do today. We want to gradually taking down the shot slower. So let's say about from here, I want to bring that tool here. It's the blade speed, or you can press on Shift B. This will make a cut on the speed tool, and we can from here slowing down the second part like that, and that part here is the shot passing from 100% to 27. Given that. So it's instead of doing a hard cut right here from 100 to 27, it's slowing down from 100 to 27. There we are. Now if I don't want the rest of the shot, I can press Command B, got that one, and delete it with backspace. Now, speaking of quality, as we can see, it's not a great slow shot. We can see every frame passing by. So if you want to upgrade the quality of your slow shot, you can see the video on the upper right corner.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you, or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!